Today I'm taking a look at these aluminum loading ramps that were sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get them out of the box and check them out. All right, out of the box, each one of these ramps has a tie down strap, a manual, and a set of gloves. Keep your hands clean when you're using them. And then these are the two ramps. There are some things that I noticed right out of the box that I really liked about them. One, it has this little hook here on it where you can attach the tie strap. Now I have an existing set of ramps that these are actually going to be replacing, and all they have is a little piece where you can loop it through. Well, it's tearing up, one, because the aluminum's cutting it, and it doesn't strap on really well. It goes underneath the rail. It's really just a pain, but these have attachment points to eliminate all that problem. So I like that. Another thing I like is this rubber strip that they put right here. So when I'm putting it on the tailgate of my truck, or if I'm putting it like on this trailer, it's got rubber there to hold and keep it from moving around. The ramps want to move because it's metal to metal, so that little strip right there should help reduce that problem. Then they have straps on them right here. So instead of just grabbing the rail wherever, trying not to pinch your hand, it's got a strap right here with a little rubber handle on it. Really nice. And it has this little lock point here, so when you close them, you can just strap it with Velcro. Again, all little things that you'll know if you have a set of ramps like this that don't have those. Those are great little touches. When I'm carrying my other ramps, they want to fold open, they want to move around. Just having this little strap here and this handle is going to make them so much easier to deal with. And of course, they've got really nice grip here. They've got these like perforated push-through holes. They're all raised all the way up the ramp too. It does have the curve here so that it helps you get things up like riding mowers, things that have like a low point underneath them somewhere. That's going to help you get them up a lot easier and not scrape the ramp so much. And yeah, they're really nice long ramps. So I'm going to try these out with my UTV because that's what we were planning to use these for. And look at there. Works like a charm, more than enough clearance. These things are going to work great. I use them a lot with my trailer here, but even with the tailgate on my truck, more than enough clearance. I mean, these things are really nice and long and really could angle well without causing any problems. So yeah, I really like them. I think you will too, and I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.